1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey Sonakshi, क्या लग रही हो?
This is my first where I've been referred to directly and I hey Sonakshi, क्या लग रही हो? And as soon as I walked in onto the set, everybody said this exact line to me and I was like, yeah, morning tonight, ऐसे ही हूँ.
Morning tonight, ऐसी ही हूँ.
Very pretty set. It's a Parisian cafe where Adarsh, our director, wanted a very vintage, very like classic look, and they've worked very hard on the styling, on the set, the way it's been made, and everything. And I think it's beautiful. In fact, I was telling Ravi Varman sir, who's our DOP for the film, that this is one of the best looking ads I've ever shot. Even the music is pretty spunky and like peppy. So as soon as I walked in, everybody's been in a very good mood and chirpy because of the kind of jingle that it is. And yeah, it's been a lot of fun today.
Morning tonight, ऐसी ही हूँ. Morning tonight, ऐसी ही हूँ.
Okay, stand by everyone, taking.
Hey Sonakshi, क्या लग रही हो?
Morning tonight, ऐसी ही हूँ.
क्या राज है इसका? कुछ बोलोगी क्या?
We wanted to make sure that in the advertising clutter, this TVC commercial must stand out. It will stand out now for two reasons. One, we have Sonakshi in design and doing the creative. We have made sure that we draw the attention of the audience by saying in the opening sentence, "Hey Sonakshi." Those who are followers of Sonakshi and all, immediately attention will be drawn towards the TV. What is the Sonakshi ad all about? That's half the battle one. The second thing is to make this thing more memorable. To achieve memorability, we have achieved song and dance. So it's music. End of the day, it's all about Bollywood. Bollywood is all about music. And we want to make sure this commercial also lends itself to the same style and tone and style as Bollywood is. That is what the audience generally likes. A good music tune with some good bit of dance performance would make it memorable.
Yeah, correct. We take one like this. Okay,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Morning tonight, come on everybody, let's party, let's fly.
Sonakshi we have chosen because she appeals to the masses. She's the girl next door and our brand correctly relates to her. She's fashionable like Flight, she like colors, Flight offers the colors, and we have launched a subcategory in Flight called Flight PU fashion. So in that there is a different kind of uppers and the midsole which we have used, insole which we have used. And in that you can get multiple designs, multiple color, and there's a flexibility. So this is the new sub-brand we have put under Flight, and the market is immensely big in India and it's growing rapidly. So Sonakshi we have chosen to launch in some sense the PU fashion also.
Well, for me, the most important factor is comfort, and let me tell you that I've been very comfortable in the pair of slippers that they've given me. Usually it would be that I would give the shot in a particular slipper and change into my own footwear, but I've been in these slippers all day without any trouble, without any hassles, and I'm absolutely fine. They're so comfortable. The entire range is actually like that, and other than that, they've got a lot of stylish pairs of slippers, a lot of color, a lot of prints, quite funky, spunky, young, fresh, cool. Whatever I say is going to be less because they've got a great collection, and I'm happy to be a part of this campaign with them.
Today the in thing is grunge style. So youth prefers new colors, new designs. They want to match with their clothes, and they look for new styles. They look for new trends which are coming in the market. So Flight, we are trying to meet the expectation of the youth by providing them a good kind of slippers for their need.
करो बेस का है राज छुपा.
So I go faster than I want to it according to where my dialogue comes. It's too fast. Yeah. I prefer to keep my toenails unpainted so that whenever I reach shoot, whatever I'm wearing, whatever my makeup artist thinks will look good, the color that will look good on me, he can put those on. So today he's painted my toes a very pretty red, and I think it looks really pretty along with the footwear that I've been wearing or sporting all day today. It's a very good trend actually to have very well groomed and very well maintained feet, which girls like to flaunt nowadays. So I think that's why we always have painted nails and nail art even nowadays. So although I don't have nail art today, just nice red toenails.
Morning tonight, come on everybody, let's party, let's fly. Morning tonight, come on everybody. let's party with Flight.
कंफर्टेबल पहनते हैं तो आपका पूरा मूड वो दिन अच्छा रहता है, हंसी खुशी में दिन कट जाता है, कोई कंप्लेंट्स के बिना। और आज बिल्कुल वही हुआ है, मैं बहुत कंफर्टेबल हूँ जिन फुटवेयर आज मुझे मिले हैं उनसे, एंड या इट जस्ट पुट्स यू इन अ वेरी हैप्पी स्पेस।
Morning to night, come on everybody, let's party with Flight. It's got the looks, it's got the style,
It's got the colors that'll blow your mind. Fashionable relaxo flight. इसमें है style.
let's party with Flight.